Hey friends, if you wish to fix status violation errors in Chrome or Edge, then please watch this video. I will show the resolutions on Microsoft Edge, which is a Chromium based browser, and it will be almost the same for Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. Does it help? Mostly it won't. So here's the next thing that you have to do. Click on these three dots here, select this option called extensions and select manage extensions. Remove any extension that is problematic. Simply click on remove and remove it. Okay. Now, once this has happened, the next one is as follows. Okay. So you can open Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback in about Edge. It will start updating Edge to the latest version and you'll have to wait till it's done. And finally, click on these three dots here, select settings from the menu, go to the reset settings tab, restore settings to the default value and then reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.